Hey folks, this is Watson with 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the VANKYO Leisure 3 mini projector. This portable movie projector runs at 1080p and supports up to 170-inch screens. It's also got 40,000 hours of life in its LED lamp and is compatible with all sorts of devices including TV sticks, PS4, HDMI, VGA, TF, AV, and USB. This item is quite popular on Amazon, has 23,000 ratings with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Very nice. This unit is ceiling mounted and the hardware interface is VGA, USB, or HDMI. Take your pick. It has a remote control, and as I mentioned, it supports 1080p. It's powered by the MStar Advanced Color Engine. Upgraded LED lighting provides up to 40% more brightness than an ordinary projector. 2001 contrast ratio, which is ideal for home entertainment. The Leisure 3 is fit for playing videos, TV series, photo sharing, football matches, etc. It can be easily connected with your smartphone, PS4, Xbox One, or Wii to enjoy big games. It provides a watching size from 32 inches to over 170 inches, with the projection distance between 4.9 feet to 16.4 feet. A projection distance of about 6.5 feet is recommended. VANKYO projectors are equipped with an innovative cooling system with heat dispersion as well as a noise suppression technology which cuts fan noise in half. Has a 3-year warranty, very nice, and a 100% money-back guarantee. So now that you know the technical specs, let's check out a helpful review from a verified purchaser. We were looking for a budget-friendly projector for outdoor movie nights, and we couldn't be more pleased with this purchase. The picture quality is excellent for such an inexpensive projector. Comes with a storage bag, which was a huge bonus. Overall, it's an excellent value with great quality. I do plan on connecting better speakers in the future, but for now, its built-in speaker will suffice. So there you go, pretty good bang for your buck. It's available with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. So grab yours today, I think you're going to love it.